used in gas turbines for a carbon-free re-electrification purpose. Siemens gas turbine portfolio has already today a high capability of high shares of hydrogen. For numerous small and medium-sized gas turbine frames, hydrogen mixture shares of up to 60%, or in some cases even 100%, can be used as fuel. Siemens is driving the development of H2 capability also for the large gas turbine frames, currently offering a maximum H2 capability of 10 to 25%. At the beginning of this year, Siemens has signed a commitment on EU level to develop the gas turbine portfolio towards pure hydrogen capability by 2030. There are numerous projects in Germany, Netherlands, and UK under development targeting the use of hydrogen for gas turbine fueling. What are the challenges in using hydrogen as fuel for gas turbines? Hydrogen results in higher flame temperatures and thereby the risk of an increased level of NOx emissions. Furthermore, the flame is less stable in the burner and thereby arises the risk of flashbacks. But by an adapted design and special materials for the burners in gas turbines, the challenges can be managed. Siemens has a strong experience in fueling gas turbines, either by admixtures of pure hydrogen. We are currently expanding our test facility in Finspång in Sweden, and we will shortly install a PEM electrolyzer from our own manufacturing in that facility to provide hydrogen for gas turbine testing in a sustainable manner. Overall, gas turbines are not a bridge technology, as it is sometimes called, but a viable technology to go along with renewables and finally providing carbon and firm capacity at the same time. And yes, there is an ongoing role of gas in the longer run, most likely in the form of synthetic green gases, in the case of sustainable future energy systems. Siemens is continuously developing its PEM electrolyzer portfolio. The unit capacity of the most advanced current commercial electrolyzer, Silyzer 300, is 17.5 megawatt. Ongoing product development target further increase of capacity in the 100 megawatt range in the midterm and significant cost reduction through economy of scale and industrialization of manufacturing process. Already today, hydrogen electrolyzer projects in the gigawatt range are under development and most likely placed in regions with favorable electricity production cost for wind and solar PV. We have regions in the world with production costs for wind and solar power less than 2 eurocent per kilowatt hour. They will provide carbon neutral e-fuels for import into Europe. I'm absolutely convinced that Power-to-X solutions will play a major role in the transition of entire energy systems to more sustainability. There have recently been some announcements by Vattenfall on hydrogen projects in cooperation with Prim. It comprehends an 80 megawatt electrolyzer, and hydrogen is dedicated for biofuel production from wood. A second one is a well-known hybrid project for fossil-free steel production. Both projects aim to demonstrate the reduction of CO2 emissions in industrial processes by green hydrogen in Sweden. This is exactly in line with our vision on decarbonization of all end-user sectors, such as industry, transport, power and heat supply by use of green hydrogen or e-fuels. Thank you for your attention.
So I think, if I understood you correctly, I think Siemens is looking forward to even bigger gas turbine markets. Is that your view of it too?
Not bigger, but a stabilization of the gas turbine market, probably a little bit higher than it is right now, because there is an increasing demand in several regions of the world, and we think it's an ongoing market, not just for gas turbine power plants, but also for gas engines. That's the other option within gas, if the fueling is done by carbon-free fuels.
I think you were very good at keeping your time, so maybe we will have time for one question, if there is somebody that have a question for Dr. Peter Klüsener. I've been to the facilities in Finspång. It's very interesting to see all the things you're doing there. Thank you very much.
Okay.
We also have some bees for you to bring home. It's in Swedish, but I hope you can be able to translate it.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Give him a big applause.